So you're most welcome to this lesson. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kasadha Abbey, and we're having a P4 lesson this morning. However, it's also important we understand the challenges that have been brought by COVID-19, its effects, and most importantly, how to prevent. Make sure that you practice all the SOPs, the standard operating procedures, like washing your hands with clean water and soap. Make sure that you sanitize your hands, especially after touching surfaces. Make sure that you practice social distancing, at least a distance of 2 meters apart from one another. And then most importantly, make sure that you always put on your mask, especially wherever you are in crowded places. Today's lesson is about personal hygiene, and I have some guiding questions to help us understand more about personal hygiene. By definition, we say personal hygiene is the general cleanliness of our bodies. I want to emphasize the spelling of the word cleanliness. There's a tendency of learners forgetting to put that L-I. Always the problem comes from the way you pronounce the word. When you say cleanness, then you get it wrong. So you must learn to say cleanliness. Right. I want us to look at the things that are used to maintain personal hygiene. And there we have a couple of them. The toothbrush, toothpaste, the pumice stone, bathing soap, bathing sponge, but there are others. It is also imperative that we understand the diagrams. That is the diagram showing the toothbrushes on my left. Then we have a bathing sponge. These ones are in so many categories depending on the preference. The one you see on the screen is what we call the nail cutter, and that's the spelling. And then on my right, we have what you call the pumice stone. That one is basically used to scrub the soles of our feet. Okay, but there are other things like toothpaste. This one is in different types. We have Colgate, we have ABC, then we have Sensodyne, depending on your preference. We also have bathing soap. Here I've chosen Geisha, but we have quite a number of brands bathing soap. You choose the one that you're mostly interested in. We also have a dental floss. A dental floss is simply a string that is used to remove the remains of food particles that may have gotten stuck between your teeth. So that piece of string is called a dental floss, and the act is called dental flossing. Right, we also have toothpicks, especially for those ones who are so much used to eating meat. However, I want to caution that meat is not good on a daily basis, especially red meat. It may cause terrible consequences to your health. Okay. We still have some guiding questions here. Number one is saying, why is it good to bathe with soap? And then we say bathing soap kills germs. Tomorrow we shall ask you, why is it good to wash your hands with soap? And then the answer should be Soap kills germs. But if we ask you, why is it good to wash your hands? And we don't specify, just washing hands, then they tell us to remove germs. But if the question specifies and says, washing hands with soap, soap kills germs. Number 2 is there, give any 3 reasons why it is good to maintain personal hygiene. 1, to prevent a bad odor. Odor is the same as smell. 2 is to control some skin diseases. There are some skin diseases that you can get due to poor personal hygiene. Examples include scabies, you have the legs of impetigo, and then arthritis foot. To prevent tooth decay. These are some of the few reasons that I've tried to put here, but there are others. And think about why it is good to maintain good personal hygiene. Mention any 3 items used to clean teeth. Let's say we have toothpicks, we have seen them. We have the dental floss, we have also seen that one. And then finally, we have toothpaste. Now, our last question of the day is, what is personal hygiene? Okay, personal hygiene is the general cleanliness of our bodies. Remember, I emphasize the spelling and pronunciation of the word cleanliness. All right, I think we shall not go beyond this. I want to thank you very much. You've been very good listeners. My name remains Kasadha Abbey. I wish you the best of today. Have a good morning.